Okay, let's look at progress at the end of the 8th week. And here we see that A, B, and C are completed, D is a third done, and E is completed. And these are the costs that have been reported to date from the people performing the work. So we go ahead and calculate our earned value. And for the 100%, it's easy. We just take the total value of the budgeted cost for those activities, which is 40, 32, 48, and 28. And then we get a third credit for activity D. A third of 18 is 6. And then we look at the end of the 8th period, what was supposed to be done. And sure enough, we know that A was supposed to be completed, and it was. B was supposed to be completed. We look at C. C was supposed to be completed, 48. In terms of D, $10,000 worth of work in D was supposed to be completed. And in terms of E, it was supposed to be 100% done, $28,000 worth of work. So we go ahead and total this up, 154, 158, and then we go ahead and subtract to get our cost variance, and earned value minus actual costs, 5, 8, 16, minus 14 now for D, and 8. Total those up, and we still have a positive cost variance of 23. Now we go ahead and subtract planned value from the earned value to get our schedule variance. It's 0, 0, 0, but it's minus 4 here because $10,000 worth of work was supposed to be done, and we've only accomplished 6,000, and it's 0 for E. It's on schedule. So now we have a negative schedule variance for the first time. So we're under budget at the end of the 8th period, but there's $4,000 worth of work on activity D that hasn't been completed as planned. And remembering from what we said previously after the end of period 6, D is a critical activity. And that suggests that we actually are behind schedule. So if time is important, we need to be a little bit worried, and we need to talk to our people on activity D and see if we can't get this activity done so we can get back on schedule.